guys, and welcome back. So today we're going to be doing a Christmas tablescape. Now this is my dining table and it is still unfinished, you guys. I still didn't get around to it. As you can see, all the scuff marks, my seats aren't all done, but you know, I don't even know what to say. So this was the original runner I had on it, and you see me taking it off because I'm going to replace it with a Christmas like a garland thing that I'm using as a runner. And I do apologize if you hear my son in the background. I am filming while they are home. This last year after Christmas, I don't remember what the price was, but yeah, it's one of those garland that you kind of use on a tree that I'm using as a runner. And I'm just going to cut this to size and kind of just place it down the middle of my table, because I mean, what's better than DIYing, right? So I had this garland on hand. I don't even know how long I've had it, because as you can see, it's pretty old, but I'm gonna do some fluffing and adding to it. And you could find something like this at Walmart for like $2 or $3. I don't even know the feet because I've had this for so long, but I folded it at least 2 or 3 times. Now I'm going to be adding in these glass that I got from Dollar Tree. They're like $1 each. You can find them like all year. So I'm going to be putting them inside. Now I didn't end up finding the candles to go in here. For some reason I couldn't find them at the Dollar Tree. They didn't want to spend more than $1 for them, but there was supposed to be some candles inside these, which you're not going to see in this video, but I did end up finding them after I filmed and edited this. So now I'm fluffing out the garland, and I'm going to add in some pieces that I got in collection from Dollar Tree and Walmart, because Walmart actually has some nice Christmas pine stuff like this right here. I think I paid like $1.48 or maybe $2, I don't know, but I like the brown that was in it, and it kind of ties in with the runner and the table itself.
In your ear this way, don't you tell a single soul what I'm going to say. Christmas Eve is coming soon. Now are you, dear old man? Whisper what you bring to me. Tell me if you.
So my last 2 add-ons will be these antlers, and I found these again from Walmart. I think again $2, and I'm just gonna put them on the end, and then I'm gonna be finishing up this look. So I wanted to do like an easy napkin ring. I got the napkin rings, the 6 in the pack from the Dollar Tree, and then I got these little flower things that's 3 in the pack in the Dollar Tree to kind of give a little, you know, Christmas enhancement for the napkin rings. And I bought the napkin rings from Amazon. I can't even remember the price. And then I'm just going to try to put something together to tie in the theme from the garland. So my placemats I got from Ross for $6.99, and I wanted to do or to have different shapes and textures when I'm doing this tablescape. I know traditionally you could go with the square ones, but I wanted to have like different shapes, being that the runner was rectangle. I wanted to have something different from a square like shape as a placemat, so I opted to get the circular ones. So yeah, I found these from Ross, and I really think it's a good deal to get 6 for $6.99. Altogether, it just started giving the tablescape a different look, which was the vibe I was going for. So I wanted the pieces on the tablescape to kind of stand out, and even though this might be a small little add-on, in the end you see how much it kind of brings out or even ties in the whole tablescape decor. Now I'm bringing out my chargers from, yes, you guessed it, the Dollar Tree. And I actually like, this is like almost like a rustic gold, and I kind of like it because I feel that you could use this year round and just decorate it differently. So that's what I'm doing, and I like how it's bringing out, like, it's almost bringing out like a sharpness in it. And if you haven't noticed, the way that I'm designing my table, I'm really trying to hide all those imperfections on my table. So I'm actually positioning things right over those dark marks, scratches. So I thought I was recording when I placed down the glassware, but actually these aren't glassware, these are plastic kind of glass that I had on hand, and I thought I was recording when I placed those down with the coasters, but I guess I wasn't. So now I'm just adding in the napkin rings and placing those on the chargers, just bringing in that red from the centerpiece just to tie everything together. So that is going to be it for this video. Hope you enjoyed this tablescape. It was simple to do, and that simplicity just brings out the most in this tablescape. I hope you guys like it. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Bye.